Hey there from Bugeyeguys, and come for a drive with me today in none other than the very first production Bugeye Sprite, number 501. AN5L501 was, in fact, the first Bugeye to roll off the assembly line floor. And if you're unfamiliar with our work at Bugeyeguys, this is a car that we bought from the folks in Australia who actually had restored this car. It was in California for many, many years, sitting idle since the 70s. It went to Australia in about 2012, roughly, and got restored over there, but more as a driving, usable car. And then we brought it here from Australia, major undertaking, completely gutted the car and rebuilt it, specifically to make it accurate, to make it just like the day it rolled off the production floor. And then we brought it to an event, a national club event in Pennsylvania, where we had judging for 2 hours and certified the car as a gold level concours car. And here you can see it drives quite wonderfully, even in its basic stock form. That's about 45, 50 miles an hour on our Route 1 here in Connecticut, and on a January day, no less. What a nice opportunity to take the number one car out for a drive. And what's it feel like? Well, it's pretty exciting for me, having dedicated my life to this particular little niche in the British car industry. This is perhaps the most valuable one we'll ever have. And but yet I want to drive it just like it's a regular car and enjoy it just like any other Bugeye I would drive. And here I am at the Y going for a swim and trying to figure out now. My mind is busily racing away trying to figure out how to park this precious object away from everyone else. It somehow seems a little more urgent in the number one Bugeye than when I go there in any other British car, which I usually drive. Our Y has a good car show courtesy of the cars that I usually bring to go for my exercise. But anyway, I decided to choose this end space. I'm always really big on end spaces to sort of shelter the car in a corner. And off we go into, off we go into what is basically a space that will protect the car to my liking. And it will be there, of course, after my swim. Thank you for coming for a drive with me in this very special Bugeye here from Bugeyeguys.